Alright, welcome back to Woodruff Woods. As you probably guessed by now, we have a new piece of equipment here to try out. It is on loan from Shaver Equipment, which you can find at www.shaverequipment.com. These run somewhere around $20,000. This is a split force. It is a integrated splitter conveyor, and also it has a drive system to drive itself, which is hydraulically run. And if I can get Lisa to turn the camera back there, you'll see there's like a motorcycle chain that turns the wheels off of that pump. And so that's how it moves. On up here, there's it's marked an SF1116T. These do come in multiple colors. I know green's another color. I don't remember all of them. But the 11 is for the 11 horsepower Honda engine on it. The 16 is for the 16-foot conveyor. And so we're going to put this to the test. Lovely Lisa's our splitter, as you know. She's waving from behind the camera. And she's going to try this out. I ran it just a little bit, and it takes a little getting used to. But it certainly is pretty quick at making bundle wood. And behind us, I'm going to walk over here. We have one of AJ's own designs. This is his rack to hold the log lift bag. So we're going to be splitting right into the log lift bag. And you know, this is adjustable. You can see it has all these T-handles on it. It spreads out, it goes up and down, and he gave me some dimensions to set it up correctly. So I have a tape measure over here. Once we get the splitter in position, I'll do the adjustments on this and get it set up right for the log lift bag. And then you know, I sit the log lift bags on the pallets because my tractor wouldn't lift it up high like that if it was completely full. Down low it can handle it, but a full third of a cord, it would struggle getting that off the ground, lifting at a higher height. So just to show what this does, so you have one lever here. This is your drive lever. If you push it that way, it will move backwards. If you move it the other way, forwards. This lever raises the conveyor. That's full height there. And then for traveling, I like to leave it down, keep the balance of the machine you know, a little more stable. And then this lever right here actually operates this hydraulic cylinder, which turns the wheels. So that's how it operates. So we're going to take a look at how this operates. So this is your log lift. You can see it's made from some real heavy gauge steel. That's probably 1/2 inch. And then it operates off of a foot pedal. And I think it works best if you have like a piece of wood there where you can kind of feather it. You get more control over the speed of it. And not only that, like you can let it up and stop it, turn your wood, hit it again, it'll go back down. So anyway, we're going to give this a try with some wood in it and see how we do. And we'll get this thing set up. I'm gonna have to have Lisa help me carry that over here, and we'll get a bag put up on it. It shouldn't take too long to get that all set up. So that should be pretty close. We could probably raise this a little bit. So to raise it, we just do this. And I'll slide that pallet in underneath that bag. gonna give this a try. Slow motion splitting by lovely Lisa. We're gonna rotate, make this into 4. As you get used to that foot pedal, it's a little bit different feel. Here comes that locust. This is a little bit greener wood, so we'll see how it does against locust. Hard splitting stuff. That's good. That's good. You don't have to split that again. Okay, this is a dangerous one. So when they get that slant on them, they're a little dangerous. Thinks I'm gonna edit that out, but I'm not. There's some maple in there. So that's the split force 1116. Again, that's 11 horsepower, 16-foot conveyor from Shaver Equipment on loan to us here at Woodruff Woods. AJ did stop by and has a couple other things he wants us to try out in the next video. So we'll have something to show you there as well. But I have this for a couple of weeks. Here's what I would say about it. I think because of the conveyor, it makes things really quick. I mean, you get to split, shove it into the conveyor, it goes out into the bag, there's no stacking, and so you know you can get a third of a cord pretty quickly off of this thing. It's nice to have the control of holding the wood with both hands. It's very nice. The pedal is kind of variable pressure, so my camera lady must have my camera lady thought she had a bug on her and started panicking. But anyway, it's variable pressure, so you can kind of bring it down slow if you want to, make sure that you're hitting your mark, or you can make it go faster just by pushing the pedal down more. The other thing that's a little bit hard to get used to is as you let the pedal off, if you let off all the way, it shoots right back up to the full height position. But if you just hold a little pressure on the pedal, it will stop where you want it to, and you get less of that travel in the stroke. So I think once you get used to that, you'd really be able to make wood quickly with this. So anyway, I like it. You'll be seeing more of it. And thank you, AJ. Publicly, I'll say that. It's been fun playing around with this. And I would say we got some good work done, too, out of it. So anyway, that's all for Woodruff Woods, and we'll catch you on the next one.